Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.74 trillion. We are up 2.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing some mild green across the board, but majority of the market is still in red, but nothing to worry about. We are starting to see altcoins really start popping off. Some altcoins going absolutely insane, such as crypto.com. We're seeing Avalanche go crazy. We're seeing metaverse coins really popping off. So the overall momentum is once again building up, and that momentum really didn't leave at all. We just saw a beautiful correction that we did need in the markets. Because you guys know nothing goes up straight forever. We are going to see consolidation phases before we do see continuous rise towards the upside. But overall, market is looking very bullish still. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Solana. My Solana family. First off, I would like to say thank you. You guys have been absolutely killing it with the support. I love you all. Your support means the world to me. Looking at Solana's price right now, you guys can see we are currently trading at $206.77. We are seeing something different happen with Solana right now. We are down 5.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana is holding very strong at the top 5th spot. We are seeing market cap at $62.8 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at $2.38 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 9,049.5%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices of Solana. But now let's look at the chart, see what's going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So right now we are seeing Solana do something very interesting. So let's get right into that, shall we? All right, Solana holders, as you guys can see, we saw Solana have a nice breakout towards the upside after we, visited this 31.2 Fibonacci retracement level. We saw a beautiful bounce up towards the upside, and we saw Solana go all the way up to 239.45%. But since then, guys, we have seen Solana break below this crucial level of support at this $218, and we have seen it drop below it, and you guys cannot make this up right now. We did get supported by this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we saw a bounce back from there. So we saw Solana go all the way down to $199, but we have seen this level play out as a support, and we have seen a bounce back up. But now comes the question: what is going to happen? Are we going back into this 31.2 Fibonacci retracement level, or are we about to see Solana break past this level of resistance very soon and go towards the upside? So now comes the question. We will look into different factors. I'll explain as to what is going on. Now you may be asking to yourself, oh my god, why did Solana drop? We were building so much momentum. But one thing that we cannot forget right now is that the metaverse coins are really popping off right now as we speak. And it's human psychology. I personally don't recommend doing this. But there is obviously a lot of people that see altcoins popping off and then they have FOMO kicking into themselves. So what I'm believing that has happened right now for the immediate short term is some people from Solana have sold their positions, and then when there's more and more people do that, that really creates a trickling effect. So that could have an impact on the overall price. So I believe a bunch of people FOMO sold Solana along with other altcoins to get into these metaverse coins to make a quick buck and get back into Solana. But again, this is a very risky play. When people FOMO in, guys, 99% of the time they tend to lose money. 99% of the time they tend to lose money. So I believe that's what happened. Solana is going to bounce back up very fast. This should literally speak for itself. This bounce back towards this from this 199 mark really does speak a lot and really goes to show how much strength Solana has, because Bitcoin has not done quite a bit over the past couple of days. We have been starting to trade sideways, below the $60,257 mark. We have been trading sideways, but I'm still not satisfied. I want Bitcoin to go above here at 6257 and trade above there, not below it, because once we're below it, there's obviously a chance for it to break even lower. But Bitcoin has not done anything crazy, but something has been happening that I mentioned earlier. I said if Bitcoin starts to take a chill and starts trading sideways, we will see BTC dominance decline. And that's exactly what we're seeing happen right now in Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been declining, and this has been benefiting some of the altcoins. Like I mentioned, metaverse coins have been really popping off, and I believe it's thanks to the BTC dominance. We're seeing profits not only go from other altcoins, non-metaverse altcoins, also Bitcoin into these metaverse coins to really kickstart this upwards trend for those coins in specific. That's just how the market cycle works. There's a lot of hype in metaverse coins right now, obviously because of Facebook rebranding to Meta, and obviously that has been creating a lot of buzz across the board. But overall, guys, I'm very, very bullish on Solana. This project literally makes me extremely bullish, and I wish every single altcoin charts looked like this, but that's just not how it works, because it's just very shocking to see how strong Solana is holding compared to Bitcoin. And it's basically in a way has decoupled from Bitcoin. Obviously not 100%, but it has not been affected by Bitcoin moves that much. It rebounds and has been outperforming Bitcoin by quite a big margin, and that really goes to show where Solana is headed in the future. And if we're looking at the passive income, guys, this thing gets me super, super excited. Let's not underestimate that. You guys will remember this in the future, and you guys will say CryptoZX was the one who was reminding us on a daily basis about this. You guys do not want to underestimate the 77.37% of the circulation supply being staked. As you guys, if you guys don't know, Solana is a proof of stake consensus, so a lot of people are taking advantage of this. A lot of holders are taking advantage of this. A lot of people are thinking Solana is the next Ethereum, as I have mentioned in my previous videos. Obviously, that has caught people thinking, oh my god, Solana could be as high as Ethereum in the next upcoming years. So a lot of people are stacking up, but what are they doing this time around? They don't care about the short-term price action. They don't care if Solana goes to 187. Below that, they know long-term Solana is going to be way higher to where it's at now, considering what Solana is doing and how fast this overall ecosystem is developing. And that's really causing a lot of people to stake, and that's causing major supply shock within the Solana ecosystem, and we're seeing demand still rising through the roof and supply is low. What happens to the price? Boom, 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 like literally to the moon. And I believe that we are about to see a breakout very, very soon, but I would like Solana to get back above this $207.50 mark. And as long as we're staying above here, guys, we are in all-time high territories. Even if we're below this level, guys, this 23.6 zone, my personal way of thinking is that this zone is all-time high territories. Once an altcoin is in this zone, most of the time, if the momentum is on its side, we do see pop-off, continuous growth towards the upside. So nothing to worry about right now for Solana, guys. Nothing to worry about at all. Solana is still by far one of the best performing assets around the board. These small corrections are going to come here and there, guys. We are going to see people FOMO sell. But if you're in it for the long haul, you guys really know that these kind of price actions don't really matter, because long-term perspective, we will be looking back at these prices and literally laughing, wishing we picked more up. And I know me personally will be doing that. But again, only time is going to tell. If Solana continues to grow at the rate it's developing, we will really see very crazy things ahead for itself. And this is why we're seeing so much demand coming in from the institution side. We do not want to ignore that factor too. Once the institutions are buying, guys, that's big money. That's massive money coming into this space, and they can really take this to a whole nother level. Because let's just look at the stock market, how overinflated it is already, in my opinion. Cryptocurrency market cap is only, let's put this into perspective. Cryptocurrency market cap is only $2.7 trillion. And last year alone, the Feds injected $7 trillion $7 trillion in the stock market. So just put that into perspective, guys. Look how early we are in this space, and institutions are starting to accept that this is an asset class that is here to stay. Obviously, not all altcoins are here to stay. Definitely not. Let's get that out of the way, guys. 98% of the altcoins are not here to stay. We will see them go crazy this bull cycle, but after that, boom, they're gone. It's just how it works. But if you have done your due diligence and pick the good things, the ones with strong fundamentals, real utility, ones solving the real world problem, big communities, those are the ones that will succeed long term. But they obviously have to, keep on innovating on a daily basis because the competition is very high, and that's what we're seeing happen with Ethereum, along with other blockchains. New blockchains coming in, Solana, Polkadot, and Ethereum is in big danger. Obviously, Ethereum is going nowhere. It has built up its credibility over the years, seen as a store of value now. But you guys get the perspective. But so far, so good, guys. I would like Solana to go above this $218 mark, and then we will go from there. But we're near all-time highs, guys. Our time is coming. Buckle up, and you will know what happens. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what are you guys doing around and where you could see Solana price go at the end of this year. I'm doing a giveaway for you guys. It's basically a type of challenge. As an appreciation, I want to do this for you guys. If we can get 1,000 likes, okay, you know what? We'll do this. If we get 1,000 likes on this video, guys, so we'll give it 2 days from the upload date. So you guys have 2 days to smash this video to 1,000 likes. If we're able to do that, guys, I will give one lucky winner. One soul token. One soul token. Easy to enter. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment. That's all we need to do. And if we reach 1,000 likes in the next 2 days, guys, then I will give one lucky winner a soul token. So all you have to do to enter is like, subscribe, and comment. That's literally it. You can enter as many times as possible and share it with friends. The more entries, the better chance you have of winning. But obviously, first step is to get 1,000 likes. But thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I love you all. You guys have been absolutely killing it with the support. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. We're off to a great start, and we're going to reach crazy milestones with the Crypto ZX community. I love you all. If you have not joined, come join the Telegram group chat down below, guys. We talk about cryptocurrencies, and we just have a great time over there. So come join it. Link in the description box below. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.